Are you looking for a fluffy pancake recipe that is delicious, nicely done, and yet easy to make? Then I got you covered. To get started, I'm going to start off with the wet ingredients, and all of them are going to be in room temperature. This will make it easy for me to mix them up. And I'm using 2 eggs, half a teaspoon of vanilla, 3 tablespoons of melted butter that is at room temperature, one and a half cup of milk, and then I'll mix everything very well. On a separate bowl, I'm prepping the dry ingredients. These include 2 cups of all-purpose wheat flour, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 3 tablespoons of sugar. And then I went ahead and mixed everything up. And there I'm trying to incorporate some air. And at this point, I want to appreciate you for watching my videos. I want to kindly request you to take a step further and subscribe so you can help me grow this young channel. And I really appreciate you. Thank you. At this point, I'm forming a well at the middle of the bowl. And then I'm going to pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Then I'm going to mix them up. And I'm not looking for a smooth batter. We want it to be a little lumpy so it can give us the fluffiness that we need in our pancake. I'm then covering it up like for 10 minutes. This will help the lumps absorb some liquid. On this other side, on a non-stick cooking pan, I am smearing some butter, or you can use some cooking oil. We do not want the pan to be oily, so I'm going to wipe it off. This will help us achieve a well-browned pancake. And I'm cooking them on medium to low heat. And your pancake is ready to be flipped if it forms some bubbles and they start to pop and the edges have started to form. And you can see how nice that pancake is looking. This will take like 2 minutes. And then you flip it on the other side and let it cook for like 1 minute. And then your pancakes is ready to go. And I forgot to mention that I used 1/4 cup of a measuring cup to scoop the batter. And look at that. Those pancakes were fluffy, delicious, and not too sugary. And your family will surely enjoy this recipe. And you can sweeten them up with some maple syrup. And these pancakes were very delicious. And at this point, I hope you have been inspired to go and try this recipe. So until we meet in the next video, may the Lord bless you, may the Lord keep you, may He watch over you, and may He give you peace. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.